To exchange money at Western Union, follow these steps. Find a Western Union location. Locate a nearby Western Union agent location. These can be found in various places like supermarkets, post offices, and currency exchange offices. Bring identification. Ensure you have valid identification with you, as Western Union requires it for money exchange transactions. Calculate exchange rate. Check the current exchange rate for the currencies you wish to exchange. You can do this online or inquire at the Western Union location. Complete the exchange form. Fill out the necessary forms provided by the Western Union agent. Provide details such as the amount to exchange, currencies involved, and recipient information if sending money. Hand over money. Give the cash you want to exchange to the Western Union agent. Receive converted funds. After processing the transaction, the agent will provide you with the equivalent amount in the desired currency. Collect receipt. Obtain a receipt for the transaction, which includes details such as the exchange rate used and any applicable fees. Verify exchange rate. Confirm that the exchange rate applied matches the one initially agreed upon. Consider fees. Be aware of any exchange fees or service charges associated with the transaction.